Hello guys, this is Hunter Stewart from Hunter Stewart Hobbies. It is exactly 7 p.m. Tonight we are at Snider Milepost 23 on the CN York Subdivision in Vaughan, Ontario. Before we get in this video, why don't you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, turn notification bells on, let's get some CN trains tonight. Here comes the next scene, roll it. We also we have a westbound coming, so here comes the next scene. Roll it. Alright, we got a CN westbound train coming down the line. I think we do. Thought I saw one coming through. Do we? I don't know if we do. Oh yeah, we do. The hot box hit it. They just hit the mile 21 hot box. How many axles? 196. 196 axles. That's a big freaking short baby train. I wonder what that train could be. And it's heading straight through. It's not going into the McMillan yard. Or is it? Or maybe it is, I'm not quite sure. Could be an A450, because if it is going in the McMillan yard, it's going to be probably an A450 train. Okay, where the hell is the train? Where the hell is the train? Be right back. Up there he is! Took longer than expected. I've been hearing the roaring for 5 minutes already. Okay, the time is now 7:15. 7:15 p.m. So what do we got for power on this westbound CN train? We got... We got 2241 in the lead. Trailing second is 8862. Autorex, this might be a very short 271 right there. Yeah, this I thought for some reason if it's a 196 axles, I thought we were going to get an A450. It's like probably 50 cars, so it's pretty short. This train's got like almost 50 cars, so it's pretty short. 50 auto racks. That's gonna be. But I think it probably did some drop offs at Oshawa for sure. The empty ones, they definitely dropped some empty auto racks at Oshawa. You know, the General Motor Plant up in Oshawa. I think that's why he's coming later than usual, and that's why he's smaller than usual. Yesterday's 271, and also the day after's the day after that. They all had Norfolk Southern units trailing second. I don't know where the hell they came from. I think they probably came from 122, and also 122 the other day had Norfolk Southern and went back the other way on 271 yesterday. Yeah. So I didn't really give a fuck about it, but I did catch a Norfolk Southern on CPKC 529 a couple nights ago. And also, according to what I'm hearing on my scanner, CN M313 is still in the McMillan yard, and he's building its train right now. Yep, that was right. That was 271. I got it right. With this train being 196 axles, it's probably a short one. Probably like 40, 40, 45, 50 cars. So it's going to be a baby train. Oh, the train's going to end pretty soon, I bet. The train's pretty short. This 271's shorter than usual. It is getting chillier these days. This car blocked my patch, but not really. Symbol on that train is CN271. That train originates from the Tasher Yard in Montreal, Quebec. Terminates in the Markham Yard in Homeland, Illinois, or sometimes Flower Ocean. I don't know where it goes, but it's going to the States. And it's heading to the Halton sub. All on this November 26, 2024 on Hunter Stewart Hobbies on YouTube. Alright, here comes the next scene. Roll it. Alright, we got a CN eastbound train coming down the line. The time is now 8:32 p.m. So what do we got for power on this west eastbound train? So we have 5780 in the lead. Trailing second is nice friendly home here. We have 88 employees. Trailing second. Holy shit, look at that! That's a military, or vehicles or whatever. Holy shit. They're not military units, they're trucks. Please don't be a DPU. This is one hell of a big train right there. It's gonna be a big train. Should be a mid DPU on this guy. I think I can hear it. See where he is. Well, now it's picking up speed now. As it's going by, it's now picking up speed. The trucks, I saw some trucks on the flat car. That's pretty cool. I thought they were a military unit. I thought they were military cars, but they're not. That's what I thought. Remember that? Remember back then they had the military trucks on the flat cars. That was pretty cool. It's a way of fighting. It's a way of helping Ukraine being attacked by Russia. Screw Putin, eh? Screw that Putin guy. He wanted to start to attack Russia. Russia wanted to attack stupid Ukraine. Why? That's what happened years ago, but I'm over. I just hope the Ukrainians are doing okay. Is this train got a DPU? I don't know if it does. A lot of green cars. Freezing my knuckles off holding the phone out so long. No DPU, I don't think. All grain cars. Look at that old Illinois Central car. I don't know. Is this train got a DPU because it would have already been there? There's the Government of Canada hopper. No DPU. All right. Symbol on that train is CN M313. That train originates from the McMillan Yard in Toronto, Ontario, terminates in the Symington Yard in Winnipeg, Manitoba. All on this November 26, 2024 on Hunter Stewart Hobbies on YouTube. On to the next scene, roll it. Hold it. Now don't click away because we got more trains to come. We always do on Hunter Stewart Hobbies because you guys ain't seen nothing yet. Here, speaking of the double, there is a CN train going westbound. Perfect timing. I was about to do my halftime message and now boom, there's a CN heading westbound. Time is now 8:42 p.m. Perfect timing. As soon as I was doing a halftime message, boom, all of a sudden we got a westbound. So what do we got for power on this westbound train here? We got 3202. Perfect timing. I think this train definitely has a DPU. Oh, 322. Oh, it's leaving now. You're on CN M322 now leaving Mackyard. I'm in Mackyard right now. That's right. Hey, buddy. Excuse me. This guy with a dog. I just said hello to that person. Oh. Do I already hear a DPU coming? Oh, it's just this the electrical container. Yeah, that. I am freezing my knuckles off. Actually, after I catch 322, then I'm heading out.
3C total axle 496 speed.
Don't know if it was this train. Look at that, a rainbow container. Holy crap. The symbol on this train might be Z112, I think, or Z114. I'm not quite sure. Someone has to write on the chat.
2-1 north.
That's for 313.
3C total axle 600.
600 axles for M313. And this train has 400 axles, so this is going to have like 100 well cars. And M313 probably had like over 150 about 150 cars at least. Where are all these electrical containers coming from? Holy crap! Symbol on this train might be, I think this might be Z112. I'm not sure. It could be that for Z114. Yeah, I'm gonna go for Z112 here. That's my ultimate guess. The Z112 goes from Vancouver to Vaughan Intermodal. No, what was I thinking? Z112 actually goes from Vancouver, British Columbia, and it's heading towards the Brampton Intermodal Terminal. I got confused right here for saying Vaughan Intermodal Yard. That's CPKC right there. Because Brampton is for CN and CPKC is Vaughan for Intermodal Yard in Toronto area. I think there's a rear end DPU on this train, so someone has to write on the chat and tell me what ID this guy is. I think this is a. Or could this train be 180 or 102, 104? Someone has to write on the chat. I don't freaking know what this westbound intermodal train is. But I do definitely know this train came out of the Bala subdivision. I do know it came out of the Bala sub. I know this one came out of the Bala subdivision. But one thing I do know is this train came out of the Bala sub. The Bala sub goes to the trains that go out west, while the Kingston sub there go out east of this country. Well, the hauling subs for the states are coming to my area. You guys already know which subdivisions for CN and whatever you name it. Yeah, since there's only one unit on this train, I bet there'd be a DPU, a rear end one. That means I have to wait all the way to the train ends. Leave my phone on until the train ends. My cell phone for shorts, YouTube shorts. Unfortunately, I'm not going to stay out for Z120 because that train's going to probably go through around 10, 11 o'clock at night, and my freaking dad has to work tomorrow. My dad has to work tomorrow. I do care about my health and my dad's health because we all need to sleep during the night. I just do a spit out phlegm right here. I know it's gross for you guys, but I shouldn't be doing that. It's like farting in front of people, but I don't fart. I try to hold it in. I do it privately if I have to, but you know. Let's just drop about and focus on the train we're getting right now. The train should be ending really soon because we do have a 322 leaving Mackyard right now. M322 goes to Vancouver. No, from Macmillan Yard, and it heads to St. Lambert, Quebec. That's the one we're going to see next. And if nothing else comes after that, then I'll head out. Where the hell's the DPU, eh? I'm going to tilt my camera this way, just in case he comes by. Where the heck is the DPU? The DPU should be here by now. York Sub's getting busier now. Just as soon as... Oh crap! I hear something already. The eastbound's now coming through already. Now I can't believe it. Oh come on! Where's the DPU? It has to be at the rear end. Like why? Come on, DPU, hurry up so I can do my other short. Oh, well, I guess I'm going to have to do a meat short, unfortunately. I don't want to do that. Makes the short even longer. Where the hell is the DPU? This is one hell of a big intermodal stack train. I think this is it's like the size of Z121, but it doesn't go from Ballasub, it comes out of Halifax, but this is not Z121 if you guys are thinking this is it, but this train might be Z112 or Z114 if you guys are wondering. I think this might be Z112 because that's my ultimate guess. Or could this be or could this be Q102 or Q104 or Q180? I'm not quite sure. Someone has to write on the chat or write on comments on below and tell me what this guy is. Whatever this train came out of I know this train came out of the I do know one thing, this train came out of the Ballasub, that's for sure. Oh, what's that? Is that Dad's lighter, or was there another train coming? Oh crap, it's already there. Where the hell is the DPU? I don't want my 322 being blocked by this guy. We're going to have to make things separate, unfortunately. I don't want to do that. Where are you, DPU? You have to put them in the back of the train. Lovely. Okay, my ultimate guess is Z114. That's my ultimate guess for this train. That's my guess. Z114's my guess for this train. I'm not going to spit it out until I know what they call it. Finally, the DPU's already there. What has he got? Plain C, or is that a G? That's a G-Bull. It looks like it's a... Oh, it's a CNG bull. Here we go. So we got 3811. DB, all right. I'm in the jackpot tonight. Symbol on that train might be Z114, I think. If it is, that train came out of Winnipeg and or wherever this train heads from, and it's heading to Brampton and Mall Terminal. All on this November 26th, 2024 on Hunter Stewart Hobbies on YouTube. Here comes the next scene, roll it. If there's another train coming, I'll have to quickly record again. Alright, we got a CN eastbound train coming down the line. The time is now 8:57 p.m. So 4 trains in 2 hours is freaking good, So 4 trains in a 2-hour period is freaking good so far. We're hitting the jackpot this evening. I'm gonna have to come here every night now, because this seems to be a lot busier than the daytime. In the mornings, usually in the mornings, it's usually dead here. Like the trains you'll get in the morning are Z111, Z121, and 377, and Q107. Usually that's the morning runs here. Anyways, what do we got for power on this eastbound train here? We got it's 8921 in the lead, Yeah, this train's gonna have a DPU as well, but it's gonna be in the middle DPU. This train's gonna be the DPU is definitely gonna be in the middle. Hopefully, it's got a surprise. I think I'm gonna go. I think I'm gonna go home after this guy passes, because my dad has to work tomorrow and I need to get my sleep. Sleep is more important than railfanning, says my buddy Tyler M from the Bella Sub says on YouTube. He writes comments there, writes on the chat saying sleep is more important than staying out all night. Still got my good catches tonight. What? The green light already for another westbound? No, we don't. We don't have another westbound coming for a while. But I already hear the DPU coming through the distance. I saw a light turn green for a sec. But I'm definitely going to go home after this guy. Yeah? Now it's picking up speed as it's going by. A lot of gondolas. What could the DPU be? We got 8950. 2 more units would be the Grand Trunk Western unit, but I wish it was GTW 8952. DPU, alright! If it was 2 numbers up, then that would be the Grand Trunk Western Harris unit, but that would be nice if you ever see that one more time in my channel. Oh well. It would be nice if we ever catch 8950. That's a Grand Trunk Western Heritage unit. I'd like to see that once in a while. I haven't seen that unit since I caught it at Ash, mile 41. Halton subway was leading on 396 last September, and that was a really good catch right there. That was the last time I ever saw 8952. It was leading on M396 around 4:30 in the afternoon. So about probably a couple months ago. All the flat cars, they're all bulkheads. They're going to carry ingots. They're going to come back with aluminum ingots, aluminum metals when it comes back on 321 the next time when they come pick those when they have a full load. There's the end of. Oh wait, there's more. I thought it's still going. I thought there was the end of the train for some reason. I'm gonna have to get going after this guy because it's getting late. It's like after 9 o'clock in the evening. It's like after 9 o'clock. It's like after 9 p.m. already. I gotta get some sleep here. Symbol on that train is CN M322. That train originates from the McMillan Yard in Toronto, Ontario, terminates at St. Lambert, Quebec. All on this November 26, 2024 on Hunter Stewart Hobbies on YouTube. I'm going to go check the signals one more time. They're all red. Alright, this will wrap it up for today's video, folks. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe. turn notification bells on, leave comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Hunter Stewart Hobbies signing off. Peace out, everybody.